To get more people to try a vegan diet to improve health, save animals' lives, and protect the environment, the Veganuary Pledge is a promise to eat a vegan diet for the month of January. By adopting a vegan diet for 31 days, people try a variety of vegan recipes, lose excess body fat, and get to experience the numerous health benefits of eating plants exclusively. Many people can get off medication, are no longer in pain, look better, and feel energized in just a month, and enjoy plant-exclusive food so much they decide to avoid animal products permanently. If you are on medication, consult with your doctor, as medications may need to be lowered since plants are powerful healers. While the planet, vegans, and farm animals would love everyone to go vegan, this pledge is for just 31 days. To make the Veganuary Pledge enticing, doable, and at no charge, I've provided vegan recipes for every day of January for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and have also included snacks and desserts available to you right now on my blog, realdiethelp.com. I've put the direct link in the description below. What makes these vegan recipes extra special is that I chose them with taste and health in mind. So they are all delicious, nutritious meals that are oil-free, sugar-free, with minimally processed ingredients. These recipes are my favorites that I share with my guests, who are amazed that there's no animal protein, sugar, or oil because they are that good. Shop for any ingredients you don't have on hand the week before so you can start right on time on January 1st, 2024 with a scrumptious breakfast. Take the Veganuary Pledge today. It's a great way to start the new year, especially if your resolution is to eat healthier and lose excess body fat. Go to realdiethelp.com and check out the Veganuary recipe calendar now.
If there are no vegan meal options at restaurants near you, demand it. So, join the plant-based vegan revolution. EATPLANTS. Go vegan!